Now, the theme of Heritage Week this year is Heritage at Risk. Along the Donegal coastline, a 6th century ecclesiastical site is at the centre of efforts to protect the Northwest's heritage.
St Naul's historic graveyard and church ruins in Inver, County Donegal, dates to the 6th century. Stone by stone, these walls are being preserved using traditional lime mortar.
As a lime mortar, it's just far better than cement because it lets the whole wall breathe. Slow wine, because like even a metre there could take you 2 or 3 hours to do, because you have to push it in full into the cracks or else it'll fall out.
The reason this site is at risk really is primarily because of its location, its setting. In the context of climate change and coupled with increased frequency of extreme weather events like storms and really heavy rainfall means that a site like this is very susceptible to scouring as well as heavy precipitation that will saturate soils in it and potentially bust the walls out from the inside as well as being compromised from the outside.
The site is one of 50 historic graveyards in the care of Donegal County Council.
We've got a very good relationship with many of the groups in the historic graveyards that are in council care, and we encourage them to work with us in terms of the conservation. A lot of them take the initiative themselves and they come forward because they have family members buried here.
The site is associated with St Naul, a 6th century missionary, and later Franciscan monks.
Some part of the graves there too of some of the leading families of the parish, and I think it's most important that they are conserved.
This community has shown the importance of careful conservation. Shane O'Corrine, RTE News, Inver, County Donegal.